honey sriracha baby back ribs. Guys, these are oven baked, fall off the bone, so delicious, and I'm about to show you how it's done. Let's get started. So we're gonna begin by getting our little spice blend together. On the screen I have listed what you're gonna need to season up your ribs to absolute perfection and nothing less. Go ahead and get all that in a bowl just like so. Give it a nice little mix, guys. And let me know in the comments down below, have you had a honey sriracha anything before? I do have a honey sriracha chicken wings recipe and it is awesome. Let me know. And if you haven't tried honey sriracha, what are you waiting on, guys? There's something special about this sauce. I am trying to tell you. It's something special about that sweet and spicy. So we're gonna move on to my ribs. I'm just gonna flip them over and we're gonna remove that membrane. Cause that membrane, it's like a little barrier. It's not letting the seasoning in. And if you know anything about me, we always generous with the seasoning, and that'll be a shame to be blocked out by this membrane. So we're gonna go ahead and remove it just like so. It's a little bit tough to get that initial grip, but once you do, it's pretty easy to get the whole thing off. So go ahead and drizzle a little bit of olive oil, give it a nice luxurious massage, rub those ribs down. Rub them in, grab your seasoning blend, go ahead and drizzle that on there and just rub in that seasoning blend. Make sure everything is all well coated on that back side. Once that back side is well coated, go ahead and flip it. Then do the same thing to the other side. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil and then season it up proper like we always do. You know the motto, ain't nothing bland over her whatsoever at all, guys. You know what it is. Go ahead and season that thing up proper, guys. And at this point, you can go ahead and preheat your oven to 275 degrees. And we are going to transfer these ribs onto a baking pan, and we're gonna cover it up with some aluminum foil, and we are gonna bake this very slowly. We're gonna bake this, like I said, at 275 for about 3 hours. If you could let it go 3.5 to even 4, even better, but we are cooking it for about 3 hours, and that is all you really need. But the more the merrier. And this is how it looks after the 3 hours are up. How amazing is this? But we are not done yet. We are not satisfied. We want even more of a crispy crust on these ribs. So we're gonna toss them right back in the oven on broil just for about a minute or two. Keep an eye on it because it can burn when you're broiling something. In the meantime, we're gonna get together our honey sriracha sauce. I'm gonna use about 1/4 cup of sriracha, 1/4 cup of honey. That's all you need. And if you like it a little bit more sweet, just try putting a little tad bit more honey, more than that 1/4 cup, just a little hint more. If you like a little more sweetness to it, you don't like too much spice, you just add a little bit more honey, that's all. And give it a nice little mix, and that's it. It's a nice, simple, yet so delicious, so flavorful sauce, because that sriracha, there's something special about that sriracha. And when you add that honey to it, man, it's just on another level. I'm trying to let you know. So our ribs are right back out of the oven after broiling, and we are gonna brush on all of that goodness on top of our ribs just like so. Look at that good old sticky honey sriracha sauce. Looks amazing. Guys and gals. I'm telling you, this is a must try, guys. Honey sriracha. If you honey sriracha ribs, guys, I'm letting you know, guys, this is a banger right here. This is special. This is special right here. I'm trying to let you know, guys, go ahead and make this. It's easy. takes little to no effort at all, and it's gonna knock everyone's socks off as soon as they try it. Don't get intimidated by the sriracha thing and it's too spicy. No, it is not. If you have the right amount of honey in it, you're only gonna get that little hint of sriracha, and that sweetness is gonna take over, and it's absolutely delicious. And you already know these are well seasoned up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one. Doses.